Now yoga for the arthritis. Now yoga has a lot of uses and it has got a lot of benefits. One of them is the arthritis. Now osteoarthritis or generally arthritis or rheumatic arthritis. These are the different types of arthritis which affects the persons from the age group of say 25 or 30 to 70 or 80, whatever it is, depending upon the person. And now we have seen that it is one of the diseases which people have to live with, though it is not going to be of any fatality, but people have to live with that pain. Now what are the different kinds of arthritis? Gout arthritis, rheumatic arthritis, it's an autoimmune disorder, and degenerative arthritis. Many kinds of arthritis, most common is osteoarthritis. It affects the back, neck, shoulders, hips and fingers, etc. Now what happens is, there is always a protective joint or protective lining in all our joints. This lining gets degenerated or it gets affected because of some reason. So when we move that joint, there is always a pain. So that is what is called as arthritis all about. Now yoga can give an excellent antidote. Yoga can be an antidote for the arthritis. Now what are the factors which affects the arthritis? They are genetic, postural, work pattern, accidents and old sports injuries. So these are the factors which brings about or which triggers the arthritis. Poor posture, misalignment of bones, these are also the factors. Now let us see how the yoga fits into this. Now stress management, pain management is very much possible with yoga, because this I have seen in my own classes. People come with a lot of pain, and after 2 or 3 months of practice, they are reporting at least 40 to 50% or even more of the pain, because arthritis, as I told you, is not going to affect your life, but in the sense it is going to cripple your life or it is going to affect your mobility. So that is what is the problem with the arthritis. Now you should know that there is something called a synovial fluid which is there in the joints. So this synovial fluid has to be pumped, so that this synovial fluid's job is to make a lubrication in the joint, so that the joint does not crackle when the joint moves about. So this synovial fluid is pumped into the joint so that there is a lubrication and we are getting rid of the pain. And it is because of the weather which plays truant in the management of the arthritis. People who live in the colder climates, they are affected more. They are crippled more because of the arthritis. So what happens is, it sets a vicious cycle. Because of pain, I am not going to move about, and because of the lack of movement or there is a less movement, the pain is going to increase and it is going to reduce my activity or it is going to reduce my joint pains. So this is what happens in the arthritis. Now 3 months of yoga program, minimum 3 months of yoga program, that is what we recommend in the Madhva Yoga Academy, is very useful for the arthritis management. And it doesn't mean that people who are young only can enroll for these programs. Normally people come for arthritis, those people maybe from 50 to 60 years old, when they come to know that there is a cure enough for arthritis in yoga. So it doesn't mean that they will be doing a lot of hard inversions and all the other asanas. It is not necessary. We can start with some very simple asanas and we can take them slowly, walk them or guide them into little harder asanas so that they are relieved of pain. So I would wish all of you to join who are suffering from arthritis for Madhva Yoga Academy, so you can relieve of the pain to a great extent and you can see the benefits of yoga as well. Thank you.